Hex, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to connect two opposite sides of the board together with markers. Lay out the game board and give each player a supply of colored markers. Check out the link in the description for where you can print one off. Go game pieces are commonly used as the markers. One player is trying to connect the top and bottom of the board, while the other player is trying to connect the left and right of the board. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you place one stone on any single empty space on the board, then your opponent takes a turn. Once a stone has been placed on the board, it may not be moved, except during the second turn of the game. Only on the second turn of the game, after the first stone has been placed, your opponent may choose to use their turn to replace your stone with theirs. This only happens once and is designed to help mitigate the advantage of going first. Once one player has a series of adjacent stones that connect their two sides of the board together, they win. The connection does not have to be the most efficient. If all the spaces are used and there is no winner, then the result is a tie.